Hi everyone, hope you all are doing great. So today we are going to start ORT reader. So you can see the cover page. There are characters and these characters of this story. So I will tell you about this story. This story is about Biff, Chip, Mom, Dad and Kipper. So they see a house with a sign house for sale. This means the house is available and someone can buy it. Now I will tell you about the characters. She is Mom. He is Dad. She is Biff. He is Chip. He is Kipper and it is a floppy. Now come to the first page. We are going to start the reading of page number 1. You can see the picture. This is a big house and it is really beautiful. And you can see the sign for sale because this house for sale. This house was for sale. So we will blend few words and you can see there are 3 letter words. So firstly, how to blend this word? You can see this is the letter F and F says F. The second letter is O and you can say this is a middle sound O. Ending letter and sound is R and the R says R. Now blend this word F or R for. Now this is a 4-letter word. So you can blend the S says S, A, and here is silent E. So this A will give you a long sound A. A, L, sale, for sale. Now come to the next page, page number 2, and you can see the picture. He is Dad and Dad is looking the house and this house is really beautiful and she is Biff. Now Dad liked the house. Who liked the house? Dad. Yes. Now we will blend this word Dad. You can see this is letter D and the D says D. A says A and the D says D. D, A, D. Dad. Beginning sound, middle sound and ending sound. So which word is this? Dad. Hope you like this video and you will repeat after me. For sale. And the other side word is Dad. Thank you.